Hello guys, Steve here, Shen. All the snow melted. We had a beautiful day today. It's gonna get cold again, but it ain't right now. I got the Bigwig Beauty. I just gotta run this thing. So we're gonna take it out for its first run in the backyard. Look at that. I have it on an impact, so it's not gonna be the quickest, but it looks really good outside. Look at that. That's nice. I'm gonna need the 2S LiPo for some torque. I could tell this battery I have here, it's really old. Oh, that's the Bigwig. Let's see this turning radius on this thing here. I'm gonna see right here. We'll go from right here in the middle of this yard here, right from there to this fence. It's not that bad. It turns pretty good. Let's see the other way. Let's go back the other way and try it. Turns a little bit sharper to the right. Yeah, this battery must be shot. It's totally dead already. Yeah, my old NIM packs are done for. They're really old. So that's why it didn't have any torque. Next time I'll run it, I'll do the proper 2S LiPo. I just wanted to get this out to try it. Yeah, I always run 2S LiPos on everything now. So my packs here, these NIM packs are like dinosaurs. Looks like a beauty though. Looks really nice. Whoa. Everything's working, so I built it right. I think I have one more video in the snow I have to post up. I think it's of my, what the heck is it? Plasma Edge 2. Hopefully we won't get any more snow. This year was bad. Whoa. See what it looks like over here in the shade. Got some dirt on that beauty. And she's sweet. It's a nice buggy. I like the paint job now outside. It looks way better than inside. Look at that. Let me know what you think of that. Sweet. Whoa. It's gonna be way better on the 2S LiPo. That's for sure. Oh. Wonder how the motor's running. Have to check the temperature. First run of this beauty. Yeah, check the motor, see how hot it is. Where is this motor? Way in the back here. It's not that bad. Could hold on. I actually touching the brushes too. That's good. So I'm thinking of a 2S LiPo. I think it'll be a beauty. What do you guys think? 2S LiPo will probably be sweet. I'll tell you one thing. The steering's working good though. I thought it would be wonky, but it's actually doing good. I noticed the front, when you hit a turn hard, the front, when you're going into the turns, when you turn the wheel like this, and you're going into the turn, it wants to tilt like this. It might be because these shocks are up straight. It kind of feels like, maybe they did that so you get more steering. That'll give you more steering, so maybe that's why they did it for this funny rack. Anyhow, guys, just wanted to show you this beauty. Hope you like it. Looks really good. And I had fun building this one. It's a cool car. If you don't have one, it's something different. I suggest you get it if you like Tamiya's. But anyhow, that's the Bigwig first run on a 6-cell depleted old NIM pack. Next time you see that, we'll do it on a 2S LiPo. Looks really good out in the sun. I'm happy with how it came out. So there she is, and I'll see you guys next time. Subscribe. Almost crashed it. Later, guys.